What is going on, guys? In today's video, I wanted to go over real quickly what broker I would recommend to any beginner trader. I'm really hoping I'm in focus, guys. Last few videos I haven't been in focus. So let's jump into that video.
I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Belfort, stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds, sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped a Molly and I think it's be my third.
So guys, what broker should you guys be using? I know there's a ton of brokers out there right now. They all have very, very low commissions. You guys can see in the background over here, I have TD Ameritrade up because that's where I have charted now for the past 5 years, from where I started and everything else. Now, Robinhood is one of the most common for stock traders to begin on, and I absolutely understand why. I even have a small Robinhood account still to this day on my phone that I take trades and I just kind of learn how to do things. If I'm learning new strategies, if I'm testing new strategies and things like that, I have a small account on TD Ameritrade as long as with my other big accounts and so forth. The biggest thing when it comes down to picking a broker is finding something that's convenient and that you understand and that you like. So when it comes down to it, TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform may be a little bit too sophisticated for you at first. You might want to start with Robinhood and just understanding how to input or how to buy a stock, how to sell a stock, how to sell an option, how to buy an option, things like that before you get into spreads and moving averages and EMAs and all these indicators that everybody talks about. Now, you do have to have a platform kind of like Thinkorswim, and there's others out there, but this is just the one that I use on a daily basis. I have it on my phone as well. Because Robinhood does not have EMA lines, stuff like that. Now, I know the desktop version does have sort of, but I've noticed it does not collect the pre-market data, which really worries me. Webull, I'm not sure if they do or not because I've never really went full in depth to their and checked that out. I believe they actually do have pre-market and stuff like that, unlike Robinhood. So, hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. So what I'm gonna say right now is the best in my opinion who I'm gonna recommend you to if you don't want to use Robinhood, because Robinhood's probably the best one for a beginner just to learn. I wouldn't recommend day trading on them, especially in the first 30 minutes because they go just crazy. And I wouldn't recommend like an E-Trade because I still have accounts on E-Trade as well right now. I would wait because like an E-Trade Pro is a lot harder, and Options House that they use is a lot harder to understand than Robinhood or something like that, or Webull even. So what I would recommend is either learn Thinkorswim before you ever take a trade, but while you're doing that, just play with Robinhood. I recommend starting very, very small. I mean, you can throw like 20 bucks in there and just learn how to execute orders. You may make a few dollars, you may lose a few dollars. I know we're not in the business of losing money, but you have to get comfortable with the platform in order to be able to make money and to be able to make it worth your time, guys. Right here on YouTube, you guys can see my YouTube is up here over on the screen. I have tutorials going over basically all of those and my reviews on those and what. Now, I know things have changed. A lot of things have went basically commission free other than options, but it's very, very small commissions. Even if you invest $20 and you make $1, you know, which that's a great return, by the way. And I've seen it happen on options multiple times that there is the possibility, you know, to gain back your commission off of that for sure. That's why I do recommend going into Robinhood though at the very beginning. Again, do not day trade on this because Robinhood will lag in the first 30 minutes and it will be really, really hard, and you'll ask yourself, why are there numbers appearing that I've never had? And I've had people send me $20 account screenshots and it says they have $5,000 and they know they don't have $5,000 and they don't even have anything. They have one position that's like that's like $10. So with that being said, definitely check out Robinhood. I don't have any affiliate links. I don't really care about all that stuff. Again, I make my money on the market, not from affiliate links and crap like that. But learn just how to input trades and how to exit trades. And then as you're learning more and you understand that you may need a little bit more in order to make the strategy that you're trying to make work, then look at a Thinkorswim platform with TD Ameritrade. They have zero commissions on stocks and ETFs. Options are only 65 cents per contract, which is super, super cheap. You'll make more than that as long as it's a winning trade. But that's a great start. I think I'm going to leave the video right there because I think you have enough to work with right now. Webull is another platform that I do see a lot of people use. I personally have never used them. I have done some reviews on their desktop. I think it's a lot better of a desktop than Robinhood. And I actually would recommend going in and maybe messing around with a Webull and maybe charting with them or something like that. So definitely keep that in mind, guys. I hope you guys all like this video. Leave it a thumbs up. Kill that thumbs up button for me. It really helps my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.